Hello YouTube, this is your Kuya DIY Abordo, and today we will have a simple unboxing of the UGREEN Car Cup phone holder for mobile phone stand. So this is the packaging. It has the following details, and you can just pause the video if you want to view further details of the item. This is the back part. So in every video, if you are using knife or scissors, always be careful when using as such. So as you can see, it is very sealed, and we will just have a quick unboxing of the item. So this is the top part. So let us remove all what are included. So as you can see, it is very secure and well packed. It has the manual. It is highly suggested that you read instruction manuals before using any item. If you want, I could send you a copy of this. Just comment on the comment section here in YouTube. Let us open. I think this is the base of the item. It's well compact and very elegant design. So later on we will assemble this one. So this is the base. Here are some of the adjustments. So you can see the material here. Has that premium feel and sturdy plastic. This is probably the top part of the item. Let us just inspect it. So it is said that the item supports 4.7 to 7.2 inches of phone or tablet if you have that specs. So that is how you reach the side blocks. It is very fast and responsive to the touch of the bottom. Also, the item has the silicone protective design to safely secure your units. So this is how you assemble it. So just remove the lock, the screw lock, and place it to the base head. Then place the knob to the neck of the holding device and secure it by just tightening the nut or the screw. So later on, if you install it in your vehicle, you may adjust to your angle liking. And just tighten it up. Also, this part or the neck part can be adjusted depending on the length of your preference. It easily slide. Plus, it is noted that it has a 360-degree capability for any angle that you may use. So for us, we will be using this at the center cup holder of a Nissan 2020 model. So this is how you lock and unlock the bottom part. So the cup holder or the bottom part is it starts at 2.56 inches and it expands to 3.6 inches in diameter. So you may check your cup holders if it fits or if it does not. The neck has a telescopic rotation of 240 degrees. And this is the construction, and I would say that For the price of less than 800 pesos, this is worth a purchase. Purchased this around year 2020 and until now we are still using it. So this is the neck for some flexibility, some protection for the bottom part of the head. The sides, as you can see, it has this silicone rubber to properly grip your phones. This is the bottom part, and there is a opening at the bottom for your charger. So overall, it has a very good construction. These are the body, so let us just close the unit. It has this elegant and premium feel, guys. So once again, thank you, subscribe, like, and share.